Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MPPSC Online Classes. This is the lecture number 8 of River System of India, and here we will talk about West Flowing River. The last two West Flowing River we will talk about flows from Rajasthan, starting from Rajasthan, and it moves through Gujarat and drains in Gujarat. Okay. Then in the next lecture we will cover our East Flowing River in the peninsular area. Starting from the Sabarmati River, let's understand a channel of Sabarmati River. It flows from Rajasthan to the southward, okay, to the southward to Gujarat. Starting from Rajasthan, it flows through Gujarat and drains in Gujarat to Gulf of Khambat. Okay, its total length is 371 kilometer. हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स, तो इसकी हम बात कर लेते हैं. दो रिवर के कॉन्फ्लुएंस से ये बनती है. एक है रिवर साबर एंड एक है हथमती, एंड दैट्स वाई इनका कंबाइंड नेम क्या बन जाता है, साबरमती. इस तरीके से ये ओरिजिन होती है. ठीक है, कहाँ पर होती है ओरिजिन, तो ये अरावली हिल्स के पास में ओरिजिन होती है, जहाँ पर उदयपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. ठीक है, कहाँ पर, राजस्थान में. देन ये फ्लो करती है, कहाँ ड्रेन करती है, तो वो करती है गल्फ ऑफ खम्बाट में. ये बात अभी हमने करी. ठीक है, देन नेक्स्ट हम बात करें तो इस पे जो इम्पोर्टेंट सिटीज़ हैं, ठीक है, जो सिटी जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो ऐसा हमसे पूछा जा सकता है कि अहमदाबाद से कौन सी रिवर क्रॉस होती है. देन द रिवर क्रॉसिंग फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद इज साबरमती. एंड गांधीनगर, द कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात, द रिवर साबरमती ऑल्सो क्रॉसेस फ्रॉम गांधीनगर. ओके, देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट some of the major projects, the dams present on this river. These are Dharai, Meshwa, Hathmati and Sabarmati. Okay, these all are present in Gujarat area. Okay, then we will talk about the important tributaries. ठीक है, therefore the important tributaries which we have to learn, there are many tributaries but we can learn Sei, Sedi and Meshwa. Okay, this Meshwa dam is situated on this its tributary Meshwa, okay, and the Sabarmati river reservoir on the Sabarmati river, and Hathmati reservoir on the Hathmati river, as it comes with the confluence of the two river Sabar and Hathmati. Okay, now the important thing also is that it flows nearly 10 kilometer in Rajasthan. Okay, only 10 kilometer in Rajasthan. Therefore, its whole channel flows through the Gujarat. Okay, we can revise its drainage once more. Starting from the confluence of two rivers, that is Sabar and Hathmati, it flows from Rajasthan just for a 10 kilometer. Its total length is 371 kilometer. Okay, then it enters in Gujarat. In Gujarat, it is present around two famous and important cities, that is Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad, and then it drains into Gulf of Khambat. Okay, this is our river Sabarmati. Then the next river, which starts from Rajasthan and drains through Gujarat, is river Luni. The river Luni is the most important river of the western side of India. Why? Because it is the largest river of the Thar desert. As the name suggests, it is a desert, therefore, the scarcity of water would be there. Therefore, it is the largest river for that region. फिर भी लूनी रिवर में जो पानी है, मतलब ये किसके पानी पे डिपेंडेंट रहती है, तो ये वैसे भी रेनफॉल के पानी पे डिपेंडेंट रहती है. इट्स नॉट अ पेरेनियल रिवर. इसके अदर नेम भी हैं लोनारी एंड लवानावरी in Sanskrit language, which means the salt river. Okay, then from where it originates in the Aravali hills. Okay, in the near the Ajmer district. Okay, near the Ajmer district. Therefore, this river also origins with the confluence of the two river. We can see their confluence is that the first initial river is the Sagarmati river. Okay, Sagarmati river is coming, and then another river, Saraswati river, merges to it near Govindgarh. Okay, and then forms the river Luni. The special thing, the means unusual thing about the Luni river is that it drains in the run of Kutch and which is an inland drainage. मतलब कि जमीन पे ही पानी डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है, मतलब लैंड पे ही पानी डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है रन ऑफ कच्छ में. Therefore it creates the inland drainage. It is one of the river in India which creates inland drainage. The total length is 495 kilometer, which we have talked about, and it started from Rajasthan and flows through Gujarat. Okay, then it is ephemeral river. Ephemeral means it depends on the rainfall. Okay, which means that it is not a perennial river. Some of the tributaries of this river are Bandi, Khari, Javai, Guiya, and Sukri. These are the tributary river of Luni. Then next, we will talk about some of the reservoirs. Sardar Samand Irrigation Project, which is present in Rajasthan, and Javai Dam, which is present in it on its tributary, that is Javai. This is our Luni River, which is important on the perspective of the Thar Desert. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.